Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today I'm going to talk about Cow King versus King. One of the common misconceptions of Cow King is people believe that they are bigger. They're like this giant shack mattress compared to a king mattress. The reality is a Cow King is taller head to toe. You actually go to 84 inches from 80 on a king. But what you lose is 4 inches. You're going from 76 on a king to now 72 inches on a Cow King. So if you're an average height customer, just make sure before you buy a Cow King that you know these things, because you could probably save some money and save some ordering time, because most companies don't stock Cow King in stock because it's not that very common of a mattress that is sold. Another thing that people don't understand is King is actually equal to 2 twin XLs. So you'll see sometimes on showroom floors they will have split King assortments. Well, that's actually 2 twin XL mattresses, and that equals 1 King. They make it really easy for us on Cow King, and they don't call it twin. They call it split Cow King, or California twin is what you'll hear in the industry. But that is something for our adjustable base consumers, which you can find in another video if they want to have 2 separate adjustable bases. So that's the difference between Cow King and King. So make sure when you go buy a Cow King that you know these things and save some money. See you guys next week.